What's the best insurance policy and company that will give you the best advantage? Depends on what you're looking for in a life insurance policy. But if you're talking strictly life insurance to use as a life insurance policy, meaning a death benefit, well then obviously the best type of life insurance to have is the one that's in force the day you die. Now that could be a term policy, that could be a permanent policy, that could even be an ROP. Now term is great because it's affordable, it gives you the most amount of coverage for the least amount of cost, but just like the name suggests, it does end. So term is only available for 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year increments. Now you're probably wondering what a ROP is. An ROP I typically use as a form of mortgage protection because it's a 30-year term policy, but at the end of the 30 years, ROP stands for return of premium. Meaning the year 31 rolls around, you get all your money that you paid in premiums to the insurance company to have that death benefit back, all tax-free. Now, permanent policies, there's a couple of different ones. There's whole life, which covers you until you're 100 years old, and then there's indexing universal life that covers you until you're 120. Both have cash value, however, whole life, the cash value does not transfer to your beneficiary. Only the death benefit does with a whole life policy. And whole life does not have what's called living benefits, which means if you get diagnosed with anything like heart attack, stroke, cancer, Alzheimer's, you don't have access to the death benefit to use while you're still alive. Now with indexing universal life, it covers you till you're 120 years of age, just in case you feel like bringing back biblical times, does have living benefit, and the cash value blossoms a few $100,000 more in the form of a death benefit and transfers income tax-free directly to your beneficiaries. Also, IULs can be structured for a number of different things, like a LIRP, a life insurance retirement plan, gaining you a tax-free retirement that you can use all throughout your retirement years, cutting Uncle Sam out of your life and not paying taxes. Or you can use it as an infinite banking strategy to eventually become your own bank, having access to your money 100% tax-free so you can use it to invest in other things or use it as capital to acquire cash flow assets. This is what a lot of real estate investors do. A lot of business owners do this as well. In fact, business owners actually gain another tax deduction in their business using an IUL in the form of a key person policy. And of course, you can also use these as a form of college savings for your kids. So before you rush out and get a Gerber grow-up plan or a whole life policy for your kids, you might look into an IUL to start indexing your money for them, growing it with uninterrupted compounding interest, getting the gains of the market, building it faster than it would build in a whole life policy, and you can save more towards their college. If you're interested in learning more about all these different types of policies, what each one of them does, and what they would look like for you and your family, make sure you click the link in the bio of the page so you can schedule your free consultation. Look forward to talking to you. We'll see you.